So we need to solve the following equality for VT. Well, since we have matrix multiplication on the left side, we can try to multiply these two matrices and see what we get. So to find the first entry, we need to multiply the first row by the first matrix by the first column of the second matrix. So we get 20 times IT minus 20 I1, and then we have plus 0, so nothing. Then in the next row we have negative 20 IT plus 41 I1 minus 18 I2 plus 0 and minus 3 I4. Next we have negative 18 I1 plus 28 I2 minus 6 I3 minus 4 I4. Next, negative 6 I2 plus 8.5 I3 minus 2 I4. And next row we have negative 3 I1 minus 4 I2 minus 2 I3 plus 23 I4. And this equals VT 0, 0, 0, 0. Well, now since two of these matrices are equal, all of their entries need to be equal. So we get a system of equations. The first one is 20 IT minus 20 I1 equals VT. Next one is negative 20 IT plus 41 I1 minus 18 I2 minus 3 I4 equals 0. Next one, negative 18 I1 plus 28 I2 minus 6 I3 minus 4 I4 equals 0. Next, negative 6 I2 plus 8.5 I3 minus 2 I4 equals 0. Next, negative 3 I1 minus 4 I2 minus 2 I3 plus 23 I4 equals 0. Well, then from the third equation, this one, we get that negative 18 I1 plus 28 I2 equals 6 I3 plus 4 I4. And from the fifth equation, we get that negative 3 I1 minus 4 I2 equals 2 I3 minus 23 I4. Now we can solve them for I1 and I2, and we get that I1 equals 157 I3 minus I4, 157 I4 minus 20 I3 over 39, while I2 equals 71 I4 minus 3 I3 over 26. Then IT equals, so we get IT from this equation. So IT equals 41 over 20 times 157 I4 minus 20 I3. So basically here we just substitute this expression for I1. So I3 over 39 minus 18 over 20. And now we substitute this expression for I2 times 71 I4 minus 3 I3 over 26 and minus 3 over 20 I4. Great. So now since we have I1 and IT, we can write down VT. So from our first equation, this one, we get that VT equals 20 IT minus 20 I1. So VT equals 20 times, I'll just copy paste IT. So 20 IT and then minus I1 minus this minus here, I'll just write it from another side, minus I1. So this is VT.